welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, wherever social media is, I should be there. But if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. We love you here. Hey girl, how you doing? I hope you're having a great day today. So today what we're doing is cash stuffing my wallet for my variable expenses. This is what I do every 2 weeks once I get paid. So I budget how much I spend on gas, groceries, household, fast food, snacks, and miscellaneous. Those are the categories that I cash stuff. So right now we are actually counting. This is my bank bag. I am sold out of the pink ones because this one is like it's old. Like I've had this for like over 2 years, but I'm gonna put this right here. It might not stay. Okay, it's not gonna stay. What? Okay, so we're gonna count how much we have right here. I wonder why I have some sunlight, but it feels so dark. Hold on. Maybe just in this corner. Let's just lighten it up, brighten it up a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these in their little slots in my little cash tray. But I hope you guys are having a great week. I know I missed a couple days in June, but your girl had to work overtime. Girl, I have never worked so much overtime in my life, y'all. I worked 40 hours in overtime. I was like, oh my God. I had to, y'all, because the extra money that I did use for my overtime hours, I actually went ahead and paid my rent for July. So all I gotta do is worry about August rent. Like, so now I'm kind of a month ahead, if that makes sense. Because I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's pay my rent a month ahead so I could just cash stuff what I have, like split my rent. So it's not so much, you know? So that was a good deal. Okay, so we have 50, 100. We got these 20s. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. 3, 2, 4, 6, 8. 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have 480. I got a whole bunch of 10s because you'll see what I'm planning on doing. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 90, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 400. 1, 2, 3. So we have 430 and 10s. And some 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10. So we have 110. Oh my gosh, these gnats are everywhere. I hope that didn't mess up my count. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. So we have 1,135 that we are cash stuffing today. First, we're gonna do our variables. So I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna bring my envelope, my little wallet. Okay. Oh, I have some coins. So I guess I can get rid of some of these coins. Oh, and I got $1. Look at that. I saved $1. You guys. I think I'm gonna put this $1 in the dollar box. So we're gonna put the $1 in the dollar box. Put that to the side. Put that right here. And we're gonna put it in the dollar box. And then we got some change. This thing is getting hefty, y'all. Okay. So, let's see. Oh, it didn't count it. Oh, batteries might be going dead. Oh, let's see. There you go. We had to add 25 cents, but that's why I said sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. So, it's just a really good guesstimate on how much is in here. So it says it's $106.44 that we have in there, and we're almost full. Like, we're almost full. And then now I have my coin tower, so we're gonna be working on that too. My little coin tower. So I'm gonna put my little thing right there so y'all don't be so nosy boots. Okay, so for gas we have 35 because I already filled up my gas tank, so it's like completely full. So hopefully that will last me the next 2 weeks. And then I got 20 and 35. I'll put that in here. Okay, then groceries, we have $100, and I think we did $250. So that's where these $250s go. Household, we did 25. Fast food, we did 50. So we did 2 20s and a 50. Because I really want to go up on my fast food because I've noticed I've been eating out a lot more. Snacks, we have 25. Oh, this is a fresh 20. No, I'm going to use, because I want something, I want to use the old crusty dusty 20s for when I'm out and about, so I can give them away. So I can give them away just that fast. I want to keep the new money. I went to the bank and I asked them if they had any new money. She only had 50s and 100s, and I was like, oh, I really want to find some new bills, like fresh new bills. That is what I'm looking for. So let's see if we can find a crusty dusty 20. Here we go. Because, you know, I want to save all the nice bills and get rid of the ones that aren't so nice. So that 25, we're going into miscellaneous. So we went ahead, cash stuff our wallet for 2 weeks. So that should help me for the next 2 weeks. It's been helping, like it's been doing like I feel like I've been coming right at, like, I feel like I kind of got it down pat, because I feel like I came right, like I'm breaking even, if that makes sense. That's what I've been trying to say. I've been breaking even with my cash wallet, so I haven't really changed the amounts. I might go up a little bit on groceries, but I broke it down to household, so that $25 went into household, so that helps. So okay, all right, you guys, that's it that I have for you today. Short and sweet. Next video, we are going to be working on our monthly saving challenges. We'll do that. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Yeah.